Today we will start our second session in revision biology. Plant sensation and tropism. Tropism is growth toward or away from stimulus. Common stimulus are light, gravity, water, and touch. And this response may be positive or negative. It's called hydrotropism, thermotropism, chemotropism, or phototropism. Next, we will talking about animal sensation. Animal sensation is a physiological feeling resulting from something that happened, maybe internal or external to or comes into contact with body. Now we will talking about structure of nerve, which is nerve body, axon, and axon terminal or dendrites. It is like branch found in the end of nerve. The type of nerve may be motor or sensory nerve. Motor nerve found in contact with muscle to make response, maybe contraction or relaxation to this muscle. Nerve impulse. Now we were talking about nerve impulse. What the meaning of nerve impulse is the way that nerve cell communicate with and other. Nerve impulse are mostly electrical signals along the dendrites to produce a nerve impulse or potential. The action potential is the result of ions moving, like we show here, moving in or out the cell. The nerve pass from three important stage. Polarization at first. It's called the resting state. When impulse do its action in specific point along the axon, the nerve will converting from potential state to depolarization state. Okay, in this state, the process of this state, which the neuron membrane potential increase positively, because the polarization state or the resting state, the potential is negative 70 millivolt. When the stimulus happened, polarization convert the action potential or the difference in the potential between outside and inside the cell from negative 70 millivolt to positive 30 millivolt by the action of opening sodium potassium channel and the sodium inflow from outside the cell to inside the cell. Then polarization happens. Is the process by which the neuron regain the negative resting membrane potential and come to the rest again by opening the sodium potassium gates and sodium return back again to outside the cell. Now we will take some questions about these topics. Look here in this diagram. The following diagram shows the appearance of onion epidermis cells that have been soaked in 20% salt solution. Which solution should this cell be transferred to if you want two cells to return back to tergite state? Think and now try to answer. Excellent. Number 8. Because the water will movement by osmosis from high concentration of water to low concentration of water. 2. The watt produced from plastids during photosynthesis are used in cellular respiration inside the mitochondria. Try to answer. Excellent. Number A. Glucose plus O2, it's the product of photosynthesis process. The glucolysis of 6 molecules of glucose produce 12 molecules of ATP. Right or wrong? Right, because here it's talk about the anaerobic respiration. 4. The cellular respiration starts by the what of glucose molecule? Try to answer this question by yourself and send the answer to me. 5. Muscle fatigue occurs due to accumulation of what? Or accumulated of what? Excellent. Lactic acid. Next, we will take some questions about nerve impulse. When a neuron is depolarized, the gates channel of the membrane open to allow what to enter? The neuron. A neuron becomes hyperpolarization when the gates channel of the membrane open, thus allowing what to exit the neuron? Potassium, sodium, sodium, potassium, potassium, protein. Right. Sodium, potassium. A resting membrane is measured at what, while a depolarized membrane will measured at what? Positive 30 millivolt, negative millivolt, negative 70 millivolt, positive 30 millivolt, 0 millivolt, negative 70 millivolt. Resting membrane. Excellent. Negative 70 millivolt and a depolarization positive 30 millivolt. Last question. Study this diagram and look to the questions. What number on the graph represent the depolarization phase? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, number 2. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.